Value area high. We go back to value area low. We keep putting in lower highs here.
Yeah, we do.
That's bearish. For anybody who's curious.
The RSI's in the middle. Price is in the middle.
So much diddle.
Wait. Yeah, well, wait.
So much diddle.
If you're bored, get out the fidget spinner.
Get out your squish ball.
There's no edge here. None.
Oof. Somebody just dropped a couple contracts. What a screwy market, huh?
Seen some of those dog videos on YouTube where you've got the one that's super hyperactive, the fat one's laying there at the top of the steps, and the dog's just running back and forth. got ES over here on the DOM as the fat one, just hanging out, and then you got NQ just running back and forth on the DOM. It's a party inside my head sometimes.
And everybody's invited.
Wicks to the upside. Point of control. These are not DOM scalping conditions.
Just building volume here for the move. It's coming.
Yeah.
One way or another, it's coming. We could get another fake out
Getting
too.
Ready. Getting ready to get ready.
Lots of wicks here. But point of control.
Speaking of CNBC, White House trader wires like Peter Navarro says there's no basis on the fact that the administration is planning to reduce steel and aluminum tariffs.
So everybody's getting positioned. One side is going to get stop run. And the other is going to be rewarded. Who's it going to be? I don't know. Feels like a 50-50 here.
Mm-hmm. See that 5-minute doji on ES.
Those wicks to both sides are wild on the 5-minute. Very indecisive market.
CBD's going up. They actually match. The level.
So we went from a, what a screwy market, guys. We went from having a 270 point range to a 70 point range.
Mhm.
We grind out of here
Value area
now.
high. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's this one last fake out.
It's inviting me.
I know. I wouldn't trust anything here. Don't buy the high of this.
No, it's inviting me to go short.
Oh, gotcha.
But I hear the tickers. Now point of control moves up. So there's volume going in here.
US eases more sanctions on Venezuela. US authorizes companies to negotiate
Still that line in the sand, LVN up above.
Venezuela
There's the monthly band on NQ.
by companies located in Russia, Iran, and China.
CBD is
Workers and companies in
new
Venezuela
highs.
can resume previous operations and undertake new investment. Companies that the US have all
Does it reject again? JP's long.
Full port.
Hopefully you're short long from down here, not up here.
Yeah. IDS is back to point of control. Zoop. Remember, you can take the RTV with a back test. It's safer that way. Just be aware that ES has a composite low volume node just above it. On NQ, you're at the composite low volume node on ES. There's a lot of stuff in the way before 68.86.
This is its fourth time trying this level too.
Yeah, I see that. I hear that, Mustafa. There's lots of tickos.
Lots of
And
tickets
there's
getting
CBD
trapped.
bars.
Are these tickets
Yeah.
being trapped? Is it shorts just covering? You don't know what the tickets actually are underneath the surface.
I have 840 as a pretty big level on NQ.
Oof. Tickets could be just ducka food. Ducka breakfast.
Manage your risk, assassin. Yeah. Manage your risk.
I'm having tickets for breakfast, says the ducka.
You have on the 2 minute, 8 sessions back. It's right there at 68.64. Okay.
Looks like it could be trying to grind out of here. I'd be worried about a flash rejection. Somebody dumps 1,000 contracts on your head. This has been a wild session so far.
Freak Out Friday.
Hopefully why don't we do a trader check-in? How's everybody doing? Why don't we do one of them trader check-ins?
There you go, Bob. It's better than red $22.
Nice, Shelly. Another rejection
Way
here.
to go. Way to go, Ryan. That was the setup.
Right back to VWAP. Hopefully anybody long took profits up there at the value area high as we continue to trade in balance.
FTC ratchets up Microsoft growth and queries rivals in cloud and AI. US Labor Department's floor says Labor Department seeks to boost AI training for workers.
It got bought up a little bit. Let's see if they can hold it. We rejected at the upper band on the RSI. You see that?
Yep. The 5-minute RSI has been pretty interesting to watch. It called most of those moves.
It's a measured move kind of morning.
Shake it off, LJ.
This value gap is so unfair.
Ray's asking what a measured move means.
So that's, rotation wise, we seem to trade the same rotation or 50%. That's where kind of like Fibonacci sequences come in and stuff like that. It's just the market tends to move in measured moves. So, we'll move 100 points. It'll come back 50 and then go up another 100.
Mustafa, the line in the sand held.
Do we revisit those lows?
Wish I had the balls to take the short. Yeah, I see that. Pull back short. No. The cojones.
Cojones. You have no marbles.
Sometimes a photographic or videographic memory is not the greatest thing.
I guess not, huh? Look at this VWAP. Flat as a pancake.
Yeah.
Bands completely sideways, no direction whatsoever. The value area high on the profile lines up perfectly with the VWAP bands. And you guys are looking for like directional plays. Come on now. It's like we don't have a system here. What are we even doing? We have all the rules are perfectly in place for balance until it changes.
Yeah. And we're 48 minutes in to the session, so kind of gives you a little bit more of that that confidence, that volume from 9:40 through 9:50. That 10 minutes was wild.
I wonder how much of this is a giant bull trap before it dumps. Could be wrong. That's what it feels like. Oh, you're going to get a pretty penny in premiums for those iron condors. VIX is at 21. Volatility, just as you saw yesterday. I don't think we're going to stay like this all day. I think there's going to be a move sooner or later.
Oh, let's see what that looks like. Is that going to point us in any direction?
But now we're putting in
higher low.
Yep.
Typically, JP, yes. We've seen it go the other way, though.
What's up, Big Red? Are you chasing around that nuttiness? Because it was wild. Massive short squeeze.
Don't know what I was doing.
I just woke up and I was Big Red. I blacked out. All I saw was red. And then I woke up and my account was deep red.
That's funny, Rose. Back to VWAP. It doesn't take big moves on Delta for price to pull back significantly. And it takes big moves on Delta for it to go up.
It's interesting. Interesting observation. We certainly have a divergence. Lots of buying into this lower price. So I'm thinking bull trap, guys. Thinking bull trap. A couple of rejections here at monthly. Lower band. Take me to Funky Town.
Well, that's what we were just commenting on, Logger. I mean, that's,
yeah, we were just saying
that's kind of the trap.
CVD is strong, but price isn't going with it, right? So what does that tell us?
No need to apologize.
Yeah, no. That's right. Absorption. All of this buying is being absorbed by passive sellers. Now they can overcome the sellers. That can happen. But until we get confirmation of congruence between the price action and the delta, there's no alignment. Yeah, it's a balanced market. That's why it's flat. Just as much volume to the upside as there is to the downside. Agreement on price. Auction market theory 101.
Rejects the low volume node again.
Why do you need to switch to sim? We haven't really even taken many trades. Unless you were taking trades. I didn't do anything. How did you follow me when I didn't do anything? I didn't show any trades. This is, first of all, this is not a signal service. Do not copy me. You're responsible for your own trades here, sir.
Pop.
And I won that short trade. I caught like 30 points on it. Now, everybody here knows I'm a scalper. I'm not holding that for a long position, a long-term position. Looks like it might try to grind out of here. We'll see. It's got the ascending wedge going on.
Where are we at? Where are we at?
Blake's just confirming why I shouldn't be showing my trades, guys. Because the trade I won on, he's losing money on, right? So that's a big reason I'm very hesitant to show my trades. Because I know people are just following blindlessly without even knowing how I'm managing the trade or how I trade.
There's that monthly band again.
Please trade however you like.
I mean, Delta's just going up. Are they going to? I mean, are they literally just hammering away and eating through the absorption?
It could be. Gold has a very similar chart as well. Sure sounds like you were, Blake. Otherwise, you wouldn't be blaming me.
We're at value area high on ES.
Delta's still kind of pulling through here. We're back at the highs. Still a fade until it's not, but the ascending wedge might say otherwise here.
No, I mean they connected to the computer.
Tickers. Getting to the short zone on ES. Pops through it. Monthly band. Big delta. Lots of buying. Not shorting this. After a failed breakdown.
Now, this is where I expect a grind now to the upside.
Getting a bit of the pullback. Just resting.
Just resting. I'm taking a little smoke break.
After all that, after that push through, it's like, okay, we made it. Let's just rest. Not ready to rip it long either, though. And Q's coming up on yesterday's RTH at 24,884.50.
IB.
Also sets February 24th and 25th as days for opinions.
We have ourselves an IB. That's not bad, Hoku, for a day like this.
There's yesterday's RTH VWAP on NQ. Coming to the weekly lower band.
All right. Let's see what happens here. BDC short from weekly lower. All right, little. Here we go. 4. Oh, 10 pointer there. Then the Madonna.
So just a reminder for the time of these critical, usually the release opinions, so either on the 20th, 24th, 25th, release.
All right. Let's get focused. Yeah, I think there's more probabilities of a balance session after a big leg move like that, Bill. But right, back tested IB high and held right there, didn't it?
Just about, yeah.
Feels like a grind. There it goes.
Assassin, you still targeting 886? You got this weekly lower band to get through. First at 883. That has yesterday's RTH VWAP overlapped right on top of it. Why hypo?
All right, let's see if it holds weekly lower IB, or is this a bigger rejection here? Look at that.
Look at that. Would you
Would
look
you
at it?
look at it? Come on now. Take out those highs.
Careful with that, Owen.
Ah,
Mm.
dang.
This is a decent reject spot, though.
Reject spot, you said? We do need a bigger pullback. I mean, this is we did back test that level pretty nice. Let's go. Long at 906. Here's almost 20 points here at the highs. Come on. Keeps coming back. I don't know. The grind makes me feel we're going to keep getting bought up. We'll see. When we're above
Delta
IB
has
high, returning to value on the weekly and the monthly, and above the bands, it's generally not a great short spot.
Well, ES is coming up on the weekly lower now.
Okay.
And it's got yesterday's RTH VWAP right on top of it. And Delta seems to have turned over a bit. Sellers have arrived.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Wondering if today is one of those very trappy sessions.
Has been. I've stayed out, so I'm still green.
That's good.
ES is back to IB high. 4 points lower is the monthly lower
Nice.
band.
Well, I didn't take a short because I didn't have a short signal on NQ, but I didn't see any trade set up there.
Right, so that composite low volume node that was resistance is now right here.
Does this get bought up?
Does it?
Or we go all the way back down to the lows because it feels like that kind of day. Just trap after trap.
There's the weekly lower band and the session upper band and value area high on NQ. Same for ES, RTH upper band, session upper band, and value area high. Is it too early for a PDC?
There's the back test of the band right there. Anemic bounce or continuation. And long at 24.50. $300 there.
Come on. Come on. Break through it. Break through it. Let's go.
You long or short?
I'm long. ES needs to break back through the monthly band, though. Go.
And Q. Monthly lower, return to value back test and upper band PDC. But I'm worried about the anemic bounce here. We did get a reaction. 20 points. There it is. There it goes. So that's why I scalp, guys. That reason right there.
See you, Hoku.
All right, Hoku, enjoy your weekend. No drilling for you today? Interesting. Let me take note here real quick. Hoku skipping drilling. Got it.
That's funny.
It's interesting how silver and gold have been kind of trading with the indexes the last 2 days.
Right.
It's very odd
It's
to see them
remarkable.
so correlated like that. The indexes are about to go red again, just like that. Another short squeeze up there. I still feel like there's a big dump coming, but hey, what do I know? They're just making it super hard to catch.
Well, the next continuation play is a VWAP Bounce.
Yeah. Still at least a good scalp, I bet. Catching a little scalp. Scalpacito. Oh, come on, man.
See you, Carlos.
Wow, man. Bounce. Ah, loss on that. Now, do we grind all the way back down? Imagine. This market is insane.
Subtrap. Let's see the reclaim. Let's see the reclaim. Let's go. Yeah,
Probably,
right?
Tyler. I wouldn't be surprised. They probably have some pull now. Problem about take profit traders is that their customer service isn't so great. Top one customer service is awesome. Top step also sucks. Day trader? I don't know what day trader is. Point of control. Oh, that sucks, Ryan. That does suck. Good job, Anthony. Yeah, that's exactly it, LJ. They even send out emails warning everybody. Every time there's a news event, I get an email reminding us, Ryan. Do you not get those emails? It's probably why they do it. Hmm.
Francisco, are you still in it? What a rejection.
Right back to
What a
monthly
rejection at the
lower
upper band.
and weekly. Nice. I faded that one there real quick. That was good. It's kind of a messy VWAP bounce.
Yeah, it was. It's more of an IB mid bounce on NQ.
It's been trading pretty nicely level to level, even though no big moves. If you're scalping, you're doing probably a pretty good job.
Yeah.
All right, let's do a trader check-in, guys. How's everybody trading this morning? It's been a wild day in the markets here. It's about 10:53 New York time. You following the plan? It's been a wild ride here in NQ and ES, silver, gold, just kind of all over the place. Very balanced market, very whippy, wide range. Definitely a tough day. I would agree. Scalpers who are going level to level are probably doing better than those looking for directional moves, trying to hold on to their trades. We're all over the place. Prices meandering. So let's bring it to the next level. Are you red because you're holding on to trades that were green and then turned red on you, holding on to them till long, not taking profits? Today's a hit and run type of day. Lock in those profits. Sorry to hear that, Big Red.
Sets up generally Spanish was a Congress. TV. Okay.
All right, Anthony. Enjoy your weekend, sir. Oh, I need to scroll down. That was a long time ago. See you, bud. Damn, Ryan.
Hey, JK. Chuck does a recap every single day at the market close at 4:30, where we analyze the market and the setups every single day. Well, as long as he has nothing else going on, but he tries to make it happen every day.
Yeah. Yep. I still need to upload the recording from yesterday. You can go back and see based on which days you're looking at, especially in your weekend review. Come back, take a look at that daily recap recording. Yes, with sound, Sir Simon.
Man, that's becoming a long running joke at this point, Chuck. You really set the tone for yourself. All right, looking to buy the micro pullback here. As we break that level, trading level to level, maybe we'll go back to IB high. Get some continuation here would be nice. Or is it just a big fat rejection?
Oh, yes, is dealing with the monthly upper band right now.
Clunky, meandering market.
Cool. I appreciate that, Simon. They were hunting my stop. Back at it again.
Awesome, CZ. Hey, Ross, I'm unable to actually re-enable it in the dashboard, so you do have to just rejoin when it expires. I would do it for you if I could, but it doesn't allow me to. Gold coming back to VWAP here. And 5,000. See if I can get a bigger trade on gold. See what happens here. Long at 98. There we go. Back above 5,000. 502. 5,002.
5,003.
Look at that. Would you look at it?
I see it right in front of me.
And flat. Bitcoin had the best move out of everything today.
Yeah.
Any Bitcoin traders in the audience? Up 5%. PDC longs the entire way.
This monthly band is not letting ES back in.
Amazon's under 200.
Go get it. Go get it.
Nice VWAP bounce on gold.
Back to IB high for ES. Let's go. Let's go to monthly VWAP. 69.22. What do you say, guys? Over 100 points. Back in the up direction to go into the weekend before we have a low volume Monday. What's your plan for Monday? We stream it or no? Bank holiday. Half day session. Nope. Comes right back. Fade value area extreme on ES off of IB high. Get out your chopsticks, folks. Yeah, Danny, it needs to quit being a bee and come on.
I'm hunting stops. You whittle stops. And whittle they are. Probably too tight as well. Yeah, I would agree on that grindy action, Danny. But, you know, we just had a big pullback on NQ. Same on ES. That's a big pullback. Not usually indicative of that's a 200-point pullback on NQ. 36 in 10 minutes. 200 points in 10 minutes.
Danny, did you flip long? I'm long at the monthly lower band. Hoping for this thing to break out of here.
Long here would be against principles? Are you saying?
No, not on ES. It's, well, I mean, it poked into the monthly band and back tested it. So it's pretty fast RTV back test. But it's a free trade. I'm at stops at break even. Well, it depends, right? If depends which time frame context you're looking at. I'm looking at monthly context. I will take it off when NQ gets to IB high. It's rejecting this composite low volume node, but we got tick is on the tape.
Tick is on the tape.
Oh, that's fantastic going.
Tick is on
I
the
was
tape.
long down there. I made a good profit, like 14 points. Got back in, got another couple points. Now I'm back in again. See if I can get this continuation. Go, go,
Look at
go.
gold, man. Anybody hold that VWAP bounce? I'd be curious because that was epic VWAP bounce. $200 ticks.
And Q's pushing through. Is ES going to take the lead for new highs? No, there's a selling green candle on CBD.
Nice, Allie. Good job. Brian's still holding the gold bounce too.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going, boys. Keep going.
Bake them away, toys.
Is that too much to ask? I don't know. I'm with you. I'm with you. Get out your pom-poms, Owen. Get out your pom-poms. We just have NQ coming up to weekly band right about here.
Looks like it wants higher. Now is a break of IB high again too. Can we hold above it this time?
Got to get that push. It's got to get that push.
A rejection from weekly lower band there.
A little bit.
Be right back.
A lot of it. And Q bounce stuff is touching value area high. Almost a VWAP or a point of control tap on the indicator for said pullback. Is it one more or is it one less? Nope. Not touching it. There we go. That's a juicy one.
That's a juicy one.
So that's
That's a
back to the
spicy
monthly
meatball.
band. Back to the monthly band. But the duckers have arrived.
Duckers are back. You can't keep a good ducker down. Nobody puts a ducker in the corner.
Did it take my order? Or did I misclick? Not showing up. I'm hands off.
A ducker ain't no sucker. This has been some day.
I don't know. I don't know what you. Oh, and could be.
This is some meandering price action, guys. If you notice the profile, what do we see?
Big D.
Excess price,
This could be
excess
back.
price. Sure looks
Could be
like
back
balance to me.
Yep.
If you're looking at the profile. That's quite the D.
Oh,
So this is why we don't just trade the bands, right? Because the profile gives us a little more insight into the microstructure of what's actually happening. Why don't we do one last trader check-in, guys, before we Wrap up the stream in about 15 minutes. And hey, why don't we do a giveaway? We haven't done one of those in a while. Who's excited?
A giveaway. Giveaway.
All right, we're going to give away a Top One Futures prop firm account. The way this is going to work, Chuck is going to pick a word. So, Chuck, think of the word. Don't say it yet. I want you to think of the word. Okay. When Chuck says the word, you're going to take that word and you're going to type it right into the chat. The word usually isn't word itself, and bird also is not the word. It's going to be some other word that Chuck chooses to pick for this conversation. And once you type that word in the chat, that will enter you to win a Top One Futures account. Now, you don't need to enter it 10 times. You don't need to spam the account. Putting it once in the chat will suffice. Okay, so please don't spam the chat. Just put the word in once. You will be counted. Okay, Chuck, what is the word?
The word for today is bull.
Bull. Bull is the word, guys. Put bull in the chat. And while you're at it, you guys can head on over to the YouTube. Be sure to like the stream. And you can put bull in that chat too. So there'll be a whole lot of bull going on.
Yeah, this stream is just full of bull today.
Put bull in the chat.
I see you, Jake.
Not pit bull in the chat, but put bull in the chat.
There's a tap of IB high.
Make sure you hit the like button, guys, please. Fireball. Fireball. Smash the like button. Go ahead, just smash it. Would you look at it? Don't just look at it. Smash it. Blake's still here. He just went on a little timeout. He couldn't chat for a little bit, but he'll be back. Hopefully he is a little less disruptive this time. Allie, love it. Smash it.
Know that I trust this over IB high with NQ not over IB high. Nope. Yes.
Yep. Nope. Yep.
The recordings of me trading, by myself where I'm just calling out stuff. I say that all the time. Yep. Nope.
Yep.
Yep.
Hey, Ray, we never heard your feedback on the Bad Bunny halftime show.
Yeah, Ebert, the YouTube stream is delayed.
Well, just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in again. All right, guys. That's it. The doors are closed. No more bull.
I mean, you NQ traders, are you watching the price action? How it was a to the tick on the weekly lower band and then a to the tick to the IB high for fades? I mean, PDC off the weekly lower, but then the fade value area extreme on IB high? Set it and forget it.
You guys ready? You guys ready to know who won?
Ready.
Oh, he didn't play a lot of his bangers. Yeah, he didn't. That was weird, wasn't it? All right, guys, here we go. ChatGPT is going to decide the winner. That
was a very short Discord list.
was, wasn't it? Let's try that again.
I mean, last thing we need to do is get caught up in conspiracy here on giveaways. Well, that's a bunch of bull, Alacat. It's a scam.
No scam. I have no vested interest one way or the other. I have no dog in this fight. I have no pit bull in this fight.
Did you get your mail-ins in there? Was there a big dump of mail-ins?
We're going to have to recount Georgia, guys. We have like a couple 100,000 votes missing that we need.
What extra bins?
The Russians. Okay, here we go. We're going to try it again. There we go.
I'm so glad I did not go long.
Benjamin Sinotti. Benjamin Sinotti. You are the winner of a top one futures account. Congratulations, Benjamin. All you have to do is message me on Discord.
As NQ quickly does a bounce off of VWAP.
Benjamin Sinotti. Congratulations, Benjamin.
Way to go.
The crowd goes wild.
Who got that scalp off of VWAP on NQ? Put a dub in the chat.
Not you, Mustafa.
Sam's there. See, people still trading. Juan with the dub. Good, good. Love to see dubs in the chat. Dub. To point of control. ES came up short. This is why, folks, you need to be watching both NQ and ES at the same time.
Yeah, Mustafa, Mustafa's won before, so don't feel bad for Mustafa. No, I won't be trading. I don't trade holidays. So Monday, no stream. President's Day, half day in the futures market. That's a no trade day for me.
Let me see what's going on here. Why didn't I see what I didn't see? Who knew? Lower high? Or was this just a double top on ES that then makes it a higher low?
Holidays tend to be lower volume. So yeah, stay sharp, manage your risk. Treat it like overnight session, like Asia or London. Slower moves.
I mean, we do see a bump in volume at the 930 because even the Globex algorithms are trained to jump in when New York hits. That's my theory. They have it all planned out, but yes, they.
The market makers, and their secret algorithms.
Okay.
All right, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up here.
11:29, another successful week at DTG.
I encourage you guys to stay sharp and manage your risk. If you want to keep trading, you could head on over to the trading rooms. You can share your mic, share your screens, collaborate with your fellow VWAP Wave System traders. You can also do some drilling or practice in a simulator. You don't have to trade live all the time. You can be practicing. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Chuck, thank you for joining me this week.
Yeah, you're welcome. We'll be back in the classroom at 4:30, and that way we can review all of the setups and how they played out for today's trading. We'll start with ES today, and we'll reference back over to NQ. We'll flip back and forth, and if we got a little bit of time, we're going to dive into the gold pit, see how things worked out there.
There you go. Wonderful. So join Chuck at 4:30 for the recap. We'll be back on Sunday Q&A at 5 p.m. and then back in the market Monday morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay green, and we'll see you shortly. Thanks for joining us today, guys.